Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can feel a little mysterious, but is a beautiful way to show affection: kissing. It's all about connection, comfort, and communication. So let's talk about how to make it a wonderful experience for everyone involved. First things first, let's talk about the setup. The best moments are built on mutual respect and consent. It's super important that both people are feeling the vibe. You can often tell from body language, like leaning in or making steady eye contact. But the clearest way is to just ask, a simple "Can I kiss you?" can be incredibly charming and shows you care about their feelings. Remember, a confident and respectful approach is always the way to go. Also, a quick breath check is always a good idea. A mint or a piece of gum beforehand can help you feel more confident. Now, for the moment itself. Start slow and gentle. There's no need to rush. Begin by tilting your head slightly to one side. This is a classic move for a reason: it helps avoid bumping noses. As you get closer, keep your lips soft and slightly parted. You can start with a light, gentle press of the lips. Think of it as a quiet conversation. Pay attention to your partner's response. Are they leaning in more? Are they responding positively? This is your cue. From that initial soft kiss, you can explore a bit more if it feels right. You can vary the pressure slightly or gently kiss their top or bottom lip. The key is to be responsive. Mirror your partner's energy and pace. Kissing is like a dance. It's about moving together and being in sync. Don't worry about getting it perfect. The most memorable kisses aren't about technique. They're about the genuine connection and emotion you share in that moment. It's about feeling close and comfortable with someone, and that's really the heart of it. Communication, respect, and being present in the moment. Forget what you see in the movies and just focus on the person in front of you. Be gentle, be kind, and enjoy sharing a sweet moment of affection. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.